Hi friends, Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. This is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullepu. See, now we discuss in exercise 1.1 question number 4 page number 15. If A is equal to 5, 3 minus 1 minus 2, show that A square minus 3A minus 7I is equal to 0. Hence find A inverse. This hence speaks lot actually. If they ask hence means what is the meaning, still you can continue this continue using the previous result. Still you can continue the problem using the previous result. Directly don't get already A inverse I know familiar. 1 by AD minus BC minus D minus B minus CA means I can attack directly. But you don't do. Hence means what? Using the above the result you can find this fellow A inverse. Getting or not? Now another thing is what? This question is very beautiful question. A square minus 3A. Sometimes they don't give 7 into I. Just they will mention 7. That is one constant you cannot add to matrix. Misunderstanding. If it is 2 by 2 matrix means what? This 7 into I you can take. Suppose this is 3 by 3 matrix means what? 7I3 you can take. That's very important. They never mention. Just sometimes they will go like this, A square minus 3A minus 7 is equal to 0. So seeing this, don't confuse. How can I add this particular number? If they are not given me what is the meaning? This is 7I2 sometimes they mention. I2 means what? Second order identity matrix. For identity matrix only I can give the letter I. No matrix I will give I. Unit matrix. On diagonal only one will stands. Remaining all fellows are 0. That is called unit matrix. You are familiar. Then if they give or not, just if they give 7 also, you can take in for granted that is 7I. Then you can attack the problem. Just you cannot add some single number with matrices. That also you can make as a matrix form. So that's why I'll let 7I. Now okay. Now what I will do, my aim is what I want to find A square. A square how you will write? A into A. A into A, nothing but A square. Then matrix multiplication how you will do? From the first matrix you can hold one row. First row you can hold. Then how many columns you can there in second matrix can multiply. First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. First row, 10th column. First row, 100th column. Take one row from this fellow, then multiply with this. How many columns are there? All columns you can multiply. See in this beauty you see, I am now taking first row, first column. Means what? I am telling with my heart you see, first row, first column. So that element will be sit in first row, first column. Getting or not? See, with my mouth I am telling, but we are not realizing everything in our hand available. Just you can enjoy. So what you are telling? First row, first column. So this element should be stand first row. Suppose if while doing the matrix multiplication, if I get any doubt, suppose I am getting second row, third column matrix down means what? Second row you can take from first matrix, third column you can take second matrix. Then check. No need to do all nonsense. So that's why you can learn properly, then enjoy the subject. Now we see. Now what I am doing? First row, first column. First row is what? This. First column this. Then multiply. Then what you will get? 5 into 5, 25 minus 3. Then 5 into 3, 15. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Then minus 5. Minus 2 into minus 1. That is plus 2. Then another thing I want to tell you, matrix how many times you will do, you will make mistakes. So do carefully. Even I also do, because I am not a gem, I am not telling. Even in my case also I will make a mistake. Plus minus some small mistakes I will do. Just you can check also, you can follow me. Whether just you can find out anywhere if I do the mistakes, you can raise your hand and tell this is your mistake. So I am very happy. Then what you will do? See, first row, first column, first row, second column. Then second, how you write? Second row, first column. This position. Second row, second column. 2, 2. Second row, second column. So what will get? Minus 1 into 3, 3. Minus 3. Then minus into minus plus. 2 into 2, 4. Getting or not? Now, who is a square? A square is equal to 25 minus 3, 22. 15 minus 6, 9. Minus 5 plus 2, 3. Minus 3 plus 4, 1. Then a square available in my hand. Then what I want to do? A square minus 3a minus 7a. Prepare. A square minus 3a minus 7. Don't write is equal to 0. You have to prove this 0 matrix. A square is what? 22, 9, 3, 1. Then minus 3a. 3 into a. Who is a? Already available. This fellow. 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Then minus 7i. 7 into i2. 1, 0, 0, 1. You have to prove that 0, 0, 0. Now 22 minus 3 into 5 minus 15 minus 7 into 1 minus 7 minus 7 minus 15 20 minus 22 plus 22 0. Then 9 minus 3 into plus 3 minus 3 9 minus 9 0. Then 3 plus 3 sorry, this is minus 3. See, somewhere we strucking. I told you already I will do mistakes, find out. Nobody told, very bad. See, minus 3 into minus 1 is what? Plus 3. So, minus 3 plus 3 is what? 0. It's very sad. I did mistake. Then, what is this? 1 plus 6, 7 minus 7, 0. Proved. Hence, first part proved. First part put on everything got 0. See, this is minus 3. Minus 5 plus 2 is what? Minus 3. Check. Okay or not? Then, hence find A inverse means what? Okay, happily I proved this result. Using this result, I want to prove A inverse. So, A inverse means what? From this equation, I want to get A inverse. So, how I will do? Wait. First part, hence first part proved. Now, to prove second part, oh, so much of dust. From where what I want to do? This is from where I want to do a square minus 3a minus 7i is equal to 0. See, I want to get A inverse. A inverse means what? Pre-multiply by A inverse. This equation what? Pre-multiply by. Pre-graduation means what? That is what? Before graduation, before degree. Now what you are doing, that is plus 2. Post-graduation means what? After graduation. So pre-multiplying means what? Front side you can multiply with A inverse. So, what you will do? A inverse A square minus 3A minus 7i. A inverse into 0 is equal to 0. Now, A inverse into A square, what you will get? A you will get. A inverse into A is what? I you will get. 3i. A inverse into I. With the identity matrix, if you multiply with any matrix, the same fellow will come. Same matrix will come. So, who will come here? Minus 7a. Now what I want, A inverse I want. So I will take 7A inverse this side. So 7A inverse is equal to A minus 3A. Correct? Sorry, A minus 3I. Again I am doing mistake. Bad Bapuji. Okay. Now A inverse is equal to what? 1 by 7 A minus 3I. 1 by 7 is common. Who is A here? 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3i. 3i is what? 1, 0, 0, 1. Whole thing multiplied by minus 1 by 7. Getting or not? Now we can see, simplify what you will get. Shall I above this side? A inverse is equal to 1 by 7. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3, 3 minus 0. Minus 1 minus 0, waste only water maybe, minus 2 minus 3. So 1 by 7, 5 minus 3, 2, 3 minus 0, 3, minus 1, minus 5. Check. See, here A inverse is equal to what I got? 1 by 7, 2 minus 5, 3 minus 1. What I told A inverse directly, these two fellows you can interchange, these two can give change sign, then 1 by AD minus BC. 1 by AD minus BC, what you will get actually? You can see 5 into minus 2, minus 10 plus 3, that is minus 1 by 7. Minus 1 by 7 into, if you what you will get? 2, minus 2, 5, minus 3 plus 1. If you take minus means what's same. So what we done is absolutely correct. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share and subscribe. Be part of our service. Bye.